Welcome to the era of rapid evolution, where building smarter, faster, and greener is vital, and the construction industry is leading the way with innovation. Sustainability is key. For instance, zero-net energy buildings, which balance the energy they consume with renewable energy produced, are setting new standards for the industry. Technology revolutionizes construction. Drones, virtual reality, and digital collaboration are driving efficiency and safety to new heights. But there's a challenge. The industry faces a significant labor shortage, needing over 500,000 new workers. To address the labor shortage, the industry is investing in training and apprenticeships, attracting a diverse and tech-savvy workforce. It's not just about building structures, but also building careers and enhancing skill sets for a sustainable future. Robotics and automation are transforming construction sites, from drones mapping sites to robotic arms laying bricks. These innovations are not just enhancing productivity, but also prioritizing worker safety and precision in every project. As we build the future, the construction industry stands at the forefront of innovation, sustainability, and opportunity. Explore construction careers and post your resume today on diversityemployment.com. Connect, learn, and grow in this ever-evolving industry.